Hello, fabulous part-time faculty for the Department of Educational Technology and Foundations. My name is Katie Green. I am serving as the interim department chair of this fabulous department alongside Dr. Logan Arrington, who is our associate department chair. So I just wanted to say hello to you all. Dr. Laura Willocks has moved forward. She is now Dean Laura Willocks at another university up north. And so we are so happy for her. And I am so grateful to have the opportunity to serve as your interim department chair now. So I just wanted to say hi to let you know that you'll be getting some emails from me. Today I am sending you the email about grades being posted and grades being due by July 25th at noon. Now, our dean's office will start to get a little bit nervous Sunday night if grades are not in. So I would like to request from all of you that we get grades in July 24th by midnight. And so that way we can have a calm Monday morning. If they are not in, they will start calling me, and Colleen and I and Logan will start calling you. And so I would just appreciate that. I know that is coming up fast. I am teaching a summer course as well and a little stressed out about the quick turnaround. So, but I just wanted to also tell you thank you. Thank you for the passion and the way that you serve our students and our programs. We clearly could not run this program without you. I know being an adjunct or a part-time instructor can be a thankless job at times. And I just really, really want you to know that I am grateful for you and I appreciate you. Thank you for working in our program and for your dedication to our students. If you need anything at all, please feel free to reach out. You now have my email address. As well as my phone number on this email, and then also Dr. Arrington's. Feel free to reach out to him or to Colleen. Thank you so much for all that you do for our program, for our university, and of course for our students. Thank you.